Hello YouTube, gonna be changing the gas filter for gasoline on this Volvo Penta 2-axis. It's very hard, it's right here. You don't really have, that's the filter housing. You don't have a lot of access. It's hard to get in there. I'll do my best to capture some images here and replace that filter, which I try to do it every single year or every season. So let me set the camera. I don't have a lot of space here. That sucks. It's hard to get in here. Okay, once you take this out, then you'll pull this up. Let me see if I can get there. And the bracket needs to go up. I'm gonna take the whole thing out there. All right, so just dig a little bit there. It's gonna be a little bit of gas leaking. That's normal because, of course, oh gosh, this is so hard. It's really a pain in the butt. There you go. Oh, oops. All right, so all right, so in just like that, you got the filter out. We'll have some gas in it. This is the current filter I'm using. I'll be replacing. There isn't much inside here. Of course, this spring that goes underneath, that's how it goes, but the closed portion goes down. This is the new one. So let's get this. The gasket for this particular unit is going to be this one. So just put your new filter in there like that, and then it will go the same spot. hopefully I have a easier way in on this side right here. So I'll try to take the old gasket off now. I don't know if it's gonna be easy or not. Let's see. All right, so oops, actually this is the gasket. My bad, this is the gasket. So not this one, not this, but this one. I'll replace that, so this goes like that. Okay, so let's put the gasket in its place first. And just like I pull this backwards, I'll do the same. I know it's hard to see, but trying my best here to show you how you do it. Once you have it in place, go back like that. Oops. Okay, there you go. So it is in place. Now just gotta screw this all the way back. I don't know if you see there. Okay, let's screw this back. Do like this so you can feel it's in the right place. Just do like that. All right, feels good. I'm using 3/8, so I'm gonna go slowly here and tie this in place. Got a lot of sun, it's hard to see, I know. Sorry for that. There you go. All right, so you gotta press that really tight. Should be good to go. Let's see from this side here. There you go, see? The cup needs to be right on the center, and it is. So that's how you switch, that's how you change your gas filter on this block. So I just replaced the gas filter. I'm gonna check for leaking. I have my water going here. Water going down there. I'm gonna power it on. I'll try to push the gas a couple of times here. Let's see what we got. And there you have it. That's how you do it. 5 minutes or less, get it done. Thank you for watching. Engine is running.